Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you. We recently came across the Yes4All EVA Interlocking Mats, a versatile flooring solution, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these mats? The Yes4All EVA Interlocking Mats are foam floor tiles that come in a puzzle-like design, making them easy to assemble and customize according to your needs. Each tile measures 12 inches by 12 inches and is 3/8 of an inch thick, offering a comfortable and innovative flooring solution for various spaces in your home. Let's dive into the standout features. The interlocking design allows the tiles to connect seamlessly, providing a secure fit while also giving you the flexibility to create different layouts. Plus, they come with borders to give your flooring a clean, polished look. The mats have an elegant wood print on one side and a honeycomb pattern on the other, which not only adds aesthetic appeal but also offers shock absorption. This makes them a durable option for everyday use, protecting your floors from scratches, dents, and pressure marks. Now, who would benefit from using these mats? They are ideal for anyone looking to enhance their home environment. Whether you're a parent who wants to create a soft play area for your kids, a pet owner looking for comfortable flooring for your furry friends, or someone who simply wants to add a touch of style to your living room or home office, these mats are a perfect fit. The practical use cases for the Yes4All EVA Interlocking Mats are numerous. You can use them in the living room to create a cozy reading nook, in a home office to add a bit of comfort while you work, or even in a garage or workshop as a protective layer for your floors. They can also be great for setting up a safe play area for children, or even as a temporary flooring solution for events or gatherings. The possibilities are endless. One of the most significant advantages of these mats is how easy they are to clean. Maintaining the cleanliness of your space is effortless. A quick wipe with a wet cloth is all it takes to keep the surface looking fresh and new. Additionally, these mats are lightweight and easy to store. When not in use, you can simply unlock them and stack them away, saving valuable space in your home. It's important to note that while these mats provide excellent cushioning and comfort for casual use, they are not recommended for high-impact activities, such as strength workouts or cardio exercises. If you're looking for a flooring solution that will support your daily activities around the house, though, these mats are an excellent choice. In conclusion, the Yes4All EVA Interlocking Mats combine functionality, durability, and style, making them a fantastic option for anyone looking to improve their home's flooring. With their easy assembly, maintenance, and storage, they truly stand out in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.